Hi, Musa. First of all, I want to thank you for giving me this opportunity to present to you a little bit about what we can do in terms of digital marketing for NIAT.org. First things first, I want to say that I like their website. As far as their online marketing is concerned, I would like to get on a call with the manager or the owner, whatever, and get a better understanding of what they want exactly. And the reason for that being is because every business has different goals. And at Leading Edge SEO, my company, we like to do custom solutions for every single client. Some clients, for them, maybe they want to invest more in SEO, but they might not have the budget. So, and some may not want that, and some may want more in Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn or paid ads on Google or whatever it may be. Once we have an understanding of where the client stands, what their needs are, what their long-term and short goals are, only then can we really make a decision as to what exactly would be the best solution for them. As far as marketing is concerned, we do all sorts of digital marketing, from SEO to paid advertising and Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff. With that being said, I'm still going to do a brief audit of the website and show you exactly where they're lacking and where they can make improvements, etc., etc. And then I can, show you some examples of my clients that I have and what kind of rankings they've achieved. So I'm going to talk specifically for SEO at the moment. And what I did is, if I go to, since I'm guessing that most of these, their market is in Dubai, since that's where they're. I don't know if they're doing Abu Dhabi or Sharjah or any other cities in the UAE. However, Dubai being their major market, what I went in and I did is I went in to the Google Keywords Planner tool. I set the location here to Dubai. And basically what this tool allows us to do, it allows us to assess what keywords people are searching for your industry, also how many people are searching for them, and what it would cost per click if you were to do paid ads for those. And the reason why we do that is it gives us an understanding of how many people are actually out there looking for that service, right? That of course we want to target keywords that have a good amount of search engine traffic, but also are very, very specific and are very intent driven keywords. For example, if you're a used car dealership, for example, would you, and you don't sell new cars, now ranking for something like car dealers is too broad. Whereas if you were to rank for used car dealership, that's much more targeted. That's a better client for you to have. So just, keeping that in mind, we always look at the keywords. So there's a bunch of keywords that show up here. And as you can see, we have a significant amount of search volume behind them for something like home nurse, nursing home care, caregiver, home care services, etc., etc. It goes on. So very relevant keywords to your NIAT.org. What I did is I went in here to the ad preview and diagnostics. Basically gives us a picture of what the first page in Google looks like in the location we want to search in. So in this case, as you can see on the top and the left side over here, I've kept the location as Dubai. One of the keywords we saw here was elderly care, and they rank here on the maps, which is great. However, keep in mind that most of your search engine traffic, most of your conversions are going to come off of this, your organic listings. And actually, a study was done by Moz, and 90% of the traffic was found to, go over here. So that's, a keyword you can work on. I'm going to be very honest. Overall, their keyword health is not terrible. They do have good keyword health. For example, if I were to type in the keywords home care, I'm sure they showed up for that too. Actually, no, they did not. There were a few keywords related to home care that they did show up for, and they show up on the map, which is great. However, you can definitely improve that, and we can, hopefully get them on this part. This is where you will get the most return on your investment. Let me see if I add the word Dubai in here. And yeah, there we go. Okay, so if I add the keyword Dubai in here, that's great, but not a lot of people are really searching for that. As we can tell here, they're not adding the keyword Dubai here. So, with a little bit of effort, we can definitely get it on the first page to also rank for this. And overall, yes, the keyword health is not completely terrible, is what I want to tell you. It's all right, but there's definitely room for improvement. I love the website. It's a WordPress website, very easy to work with. Definitely, can come on the first page without any question. Now I wanted to take a little bit of a deep dive into what are the factors that are causing. Keep in mind, I'm not going into a complete audit. That takes a long time. And frankly speaking, this call will become very, very boring and a drag. This recording, will become a big drag. However, when I use this tool, it's a paid subscription tool called Moz, and it allows us to see what kind of links are coming onto the website. And I was not very impressed by the kind of links that are coming. You always want to make sure that links coming to your website are coming from websites that are relevant to your niche. As we can see over here, this follower Sempire, I can tell right off the bat, this is a very spammy link. It is just poorly done. This link is someone just set up this website, just boom, right off the bat is just posting, random crap and just linking back. And I can tell by the categories, this is not a niche website. This does not talk about a niche topic. You want to get this website to get linked by websites that are relevant to your niche, that talk about your niche. This is a very spammy link tactic. It's not going to work. It used to work in the past. These do not work anymore. And, it's the first, highest link that I found was this. And there's a few others too that were all, I can tell just by looking at them, there's spammy links that were either paid for. Whoever's doing, the SEO, I'm not trying to knock on them, but as you can see over here, these are just, this is a link coming off of a directory. Not the best sort of links you want to be coming back from your website. And what are links? So basically, one of the biggest keyword ranking factors today are backlinks. And backlinks, you can think of them as votes coming back to your website. And Google looks at whoever has the most amount of votes. But it's not only just that, it's also about the quality of the link, where the link is coming from. For example, I know you have a car dealership. Your website linking to inayati.org would not make any sense to Google, and it will have no equity in Google's eyes. Actually, too many of those can actually get your website penalized, and that's also something you want to stay away from. For example, I can see over here right off the bat, whoever was writing this article really did not pay too much attention. Even his name says, Joe says SEO. So this guy is trying to do SEO, which is great. So he's trying to do search engine optimization. But he's using, tactics that worked in 2001. These tactics do not work anymore. Right off the bat, doesn't take a genius to tell this that this is definitely a spam link. And trust me, if I can find these flaws, the search engine can definitely do it. Google is far more advanced. That being said, some of your competitors that are doing very well on the search engines, Nightingale Dubai, they're doing really well. They rank for actually even keywords like nurses in Dubai, which is actually think about it. When you come to think about it, it's actually a very, good keyword to rank for. And your other competitor was Sublime Home Healthcare. They all have great links coming back into them. And see what I mean? They have only 101 links, Sublime Home Care. They're outranking Inayati. Then we have these guys over here. Nightingale Dubai. Let's see over here. I'm just going to do this live in front of you. They have only 51 links coming in, whereas Inayati has 2,000 links coming in, but the rankings are lower. Right off the bat, that's a red flag. I can tell right away This is because these links are bought or they're spammy and they're not giving you the results you want. So whoever's looking after that should definitely, look into this. This is not something good. Overall, the website is, all right. There's definitely room for improvement there. As far as, adding more call to actions is concerned, definitely that will, help in, with conversion rates. I also looked at, so these are your competitors, their websites. They're all okay. One thing that I would definitely recommend, which would give you, NIIT the edge over the others, is definitely getting, their SSL certificate, as you can see over here on the top left corner. It's not secure. That also, it has a very tiny effect, but definitely something that you want to take a look at. As we can see over here, Nightingale has, a secure website. Basically, you're showing Google that you are a trusted website. And these were some other links that I found from, from my tool that were linking back to your website. Again, I don't even know what rubbish this is. All spam. This should definitely be removed. This backlink profile needs to be cleared up. That's something that we as SEO providers do. As far as giving you examples of some of my clients, I'll give you a brief rundown. Sorry about that. I'm going to go here. We have been working in this business in SEO for a long time. I know you have a car dealership. I can give you something relatable. Extreme Car Rentals are a very old client of mine. Actually, my first ever client. If I were to write car rentals, Waterloo. There we are on the first page. If I were to write car rentals, Kitchener. And I'm not even in Waterloo. If I'm in Waterloo, my location plays a better, role in this. As you can see over here, they're on the first page, and same thing. I also used to manage Right Auto Sales account, and one of their most important keywords was used car dealerships, Waterloo. There we go, Right Auto Sales. We got them from page 3 to page 1 in just a matter of months. Now, these results are not typical. However, we did do so. And they also have a Kitchener location, which they opened on Ottawa Street. Same thing for that as well. One of my clients, I'm sure you've heard of them, Buds BMW. They sell BMW car dealerships in Burlington. And see right here, Buzz BMW. They're in Oakville, Burlington, and Hamilton. I'm not going to go into too much depth as to what we do for them. That we can spare for our next call when we hopefully do that. Yeah, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'm sorry I've been rambling for a long time, but I just wanted to give you a brief understanding of basically what's going on as far as SEO is concerned. As far as Facebook is concerned and Instagram is concerned, that's a whole different topic. That's something that we definitely need to understand what the client wants out of it, because marketing on search engines is different, where you can gauge intent, whereas marketing on social media, you really need to know what you're doing. As for our clients are concerned, I work with Canada's Wonderland. We do all of their social media, their Facebook, their Instagram. Air Riders Mississauga, we grew that page in a matter of 2 years from zero, actually a couple likes, to 20. Last time we checked was 25,000 something or in the 20,000 number likes on Facebook. So please feel free to schedule a call with me. I would definitely love to jump on a phone call on Skype. We can go over things in detail. I can exactly show you what to do, what not to do. But before we do social media, we definitely need to have that conversation as to understand what your goals are. With that being said, I'm going to wrap up right now. I look forward to speaking with you about this in the future, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for your time. Take care.